Now we are going to talk about command injection, the most powerful vulnerability in bug bounty hunting. Let's talk about background concept about command injection. Basically, by this vulnerability, an attacker can supply Linux or Windows or any operating system shell commands through user supplied data to system shell, and if system shell will act on that and will respond onto that, then there may be command injection, or there is a command injection. There can be command injection. So let's talk about the impact of CMD. By exploiting a command injection vulnerability, an attacker can abuse the function to inject his own operating system commands. This means he can easily take complete control over a web server. Basically, this is due to insufficient input validation. Now, see, in this example, the web application is taking input, that is IP address, from the user and providing the ping. So it is possible to break that ping command by giving semicolon after that. So semicolon, after the semicolon, it will execute instantly. So it will execute ping as well as the second commands. If you will do this like ping space semicolon ls, it will execute ls commands. If you will do ping space IP address, if you will give semicolon ls, then it will execute both. Now, so these are the possible parameters you have to look for, either daemon equal to something, either host equal to something, upload equal to something, or any related parameters, and there you have to check by providing this delimiter used to break or continue the execution of CMD. Examples, let's talk about the example. Let's take example, host is taking input from the user, that is this, and providing host name output. So in background they are executing host name space IP. Okay, and in background they are executing host name space the host parameter. So I will try the semicolon ls, so it will execute both. But what if they will filter semicolon? Then I have to try some other delimiter there. Then I will try and. So and will continue either as well as this, and it will provide ls output also. What if they filter and also? Then you have to try or ls. So this will execute either this or either our command. So these are the possible delimiter you have to use for findings of CMDI. I hope this is clear to you. If not, we will have a discussion session over there.